In this video, I'm going to show you a comparison of AppSheet versus Google App Maker. So in today's digital age, businesses and individuals are constantly searching for the best tools to create mobile apps quickly and efficiently. So AppSheet and Google App Maker are two such platforms, but they serve different purposes and have distinct features. So in this comparison, we'll break down each platform, focusing on how they work, who they're best suited for, and their pros and cons. So by the end of this video, you will have a clear idea of which platform will best meet your needs. So first, let's start with AppSheet. So it's a no-code app development platform that's become a favorite for businesses looking to create robust, data-driven applications. AppSheet is designed to empower non-developers to create mobile and web apps directly from their existing data sources without needing to write any code. This makes it an incredibly useful tool for businesses with teams that want to automate workflows and build apps that can streamline operations. So the key features of AppSheet is first, it's data-driven apps. So one of the standout features of AppSheet is its ability to pull data from multiple sources. You can easily integrate your existing spreadsheets, databases, and CRM systems, and AppSheet will use this data to generate an app automatically. Next is automation and workflows. So AppSheet offers extensive automation capabilities. You can create custom workflows, automate repetitive tasks, send notifications, and even trigger actions based on certain conditions. This is incredibly valuable for businesses that want to optimize process. Next is AI and machine learning. Another impressive aspect of AppSheet is its AI integration. For example, you can build apps with image recognition or natural language processing capabilities. AppSheet can automatically create smart functionalities that improve the overall efficiency of your app. Next is cross-platform. So apps created in AppSheet work on both mobile devices and desktops, ensuring a seamless experience across platforms. This flexibility makes it a good choice for teams working in the field or those who need to access their apps from multiple devices. So the benefits of AppSheet is no coding required. So as a no-code platform, AppSheet makes it easy for anyone with even those without technical expertise to build an app. Its intuitive interface allows users to drag and drop components, customize workflows, and integrate data sources without touching a line of code. Next benefit is its scalability. Whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, AppSheet can scale with you. You can start with a small project and expand it over time as your needs grow. Its flexibility makes it a great option for businesses looking for long-term solutions. Next benefit is its integration with Google Workspace. So being a Google product, AppSheet naturally integrates well with Google Workspace tools like Sheets, Docs, and Drive, making it easy for businesses that are already invested in the Google ecosystem. So the drawbacks of Google AppSheet is its limited design flexibility. So while AppSheet is excellent for data-driven apps, it's not the best choice for apps that require a high level of custom design. The visual customization options are somewhat limited compared to other app building. Now let's move on to the Google App Maker. So it's a very different type of app building platform. So it is a free tool specifically designed for creating Android apps quickly and easily. Unlike AppSheet, which is tailored for business and data-driven applications, this is more suitable for individuals or small businesses looking to create simple Android apps without much effort. So the key features of this Google App Maker is first, its fast app creation. So its main selling point is how quickly you can generate an app. You don't need any technical skills or coding knowledge. All you need to do is follow a few simple steps, like choosing a template and adding your website URL or content, and your app is ready to be published on the Google Play Store. So next key feature is its various templates. So it offers a wide range of templates for different use cases, from business apps and games to web view apps that convert your website into a mobile app. So this makes it versatile for different types of applications. Next is its free app creation. So one of the biggest advantages of the Google App Maker is that it allows you to create and publish apps for free. There are no upfront costs, although there are premium options if you want to remove ads or access additional features. Next is monetization options. So it provides monetization options by integrating advertisements into your app. This is useful for individuals or businesses looking to generate revenue from their apps without needing to manage their own ad platforms. So the benefits of the Google App Maker is its quick and easy setup. So it's incredibly simple to use. In just a few minutes, you can have a fully functional Android app ready to go. This makes it perfect for beginners or individuals who want to get an app out there without much hassle. Next benefit is no technical knowledge needed. So just like AppSheet, it requires no coding skills. The platform is built for non-technical users who need a basic app fast. It's especially good for those who just want to convert their website into a mobile app or create a simple game. Next benefit is it's free to use. So its free tier is a major draw. Unlike many other app building platforms that charge fees from the start, it allows you to create and publish apps for free with the option to pay for premium features. So the drawbacks of this is it's limited to Android. So unlike AppSheet, which builds apps that work across multiple platforms, it is limited to Android only. So if you need to reach iOS users or create apps for desktops, this might not be the choice. Another drawback is its basic functionality. So it's designed for simple apps and it shows. If you need advanced custom workflows, or complex app logic, this won't offer the depth that platforms like AppSheet or other app development tools provide. So basically, that is the comparison of the AppSheet and this Google App Maker. So of course, if you're looking to create business apps with data driven functionality like inventory management, CRM, or automated workflows, AppSheet is the clear winner. It offers far more customization, flexibility, and integration with data sources, which makes it suitable for businesses of any size. On the other hand, if your goal is to quickly create a simple Android app, whether for personal use, to display web content, or to monetize through ads, the other one is the better option. So that's basically it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.